Hello and welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to show how to connect your business email to your CNAME. And as you know, or some of you might not know that you cannot use any personal email now on your CNAME or any other platform with email sender. You have to use a professional business email. And I'm going to go through step by step how you can do that in easy chunks steps. Okay, so let's go. So first thing what you need to do is buying a domain name and the business email. So you need domain name. So you cannot buy a professional email by itself without having a domain name. Usually, if you have a website domain already, then you buy professional email with that email. Okay. So let's say I already have a domain name. You can buy it from the cheap. You type the domain name and click buy. Okay. Next, you buy the email. Once you bought the domain, yeah, you connect the domain name first. Okay. Let me just go show you that. Let me drag this one down. So once you go to CME, you're gonna click on here. Once you open here, this will drop down. You click on setting. Then on the left side, scroll down, we can see custom domain. Next, you click add domain and you type in your domain name. Okay, www.telcharm.com or whatever your domain name is. Now, once you click on that, you click on save. I've already done that, so I'm gonna show you the one I have. Then what's gonna happen? All the custom domain will be shown here. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on show instruction. Now, once you click on show instruction, so you need to add this to your name provider, domain provider. So either it's a GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other provider you have, all the same. You add this to your DNS setting. I'm gonna show you. So example, let's say you wanna copy that. Okay. So when you click on the show instruction, this will pop up, right? So what you need to do here, copy www. You can just type it or copy it, right? Now we go to your domain name provider, which is mine is Namecheap. You click on domain list. Then from there, you click on advanced. You click on your domain, the one you need to add to custom into me. So because I have more than one domain, right? If you have more than domain, like my case, then you click on domain you want, then click on advanced DNS. Okay. Now you scroll down. What you need to do here, add record. Just by here. Okay. Now it's very simple, straightforward follow up because it's a CNAME, right? You can choose CNAME. I'm not gonna add that because I already have it here. Like you see, I'm just gonna show it because I don't want to get lost. And now it's gonna be now next you need to copy all the value without the dots. Okay, I'm gonna remove the dot at the end. So you add the target. Okay. Next you need to click on the tick one. So I'm gonna remove that because I already have it. And then it's two record you need to add, right? So another C name. Now you need to copy everything just before the dots, okay? Excluding the dots, copy, go to the niche sheet, add record, choose the record type, which is CNAME record. For the host to add this one here, go back to the system E and copy everything as the target or as the value. See here. And then click on the tick, we'll save it for you. So it takes a couple minutes actually to one day. It depends on the server and everything like that. And next you want to add now your domain, your email. Okay, next you need to buy a professional email. It doesn't come with it. And the price for the business email is something about $14 to $20 to up to even $50 per year. It's not that expensive, if you think about it. And you cannot bypass that. You need it for sending email, right? And Steam offering a limited email sender, so it's a great deal. Now, I have so many courses about how to build an email list. Check the link in the bio so we can build the email list and making bank from that, right? Now, sometimes have a deals. Make sure you just copy that deal so you can add it on your checkout later on. Now you scroll down. So build theory. So what you're gonna do here for the starter plan on the right side, can see that 99 a month. So you can work out it's about 1188 a year. Okay. So that gives you about 5 GB of emails inbox. Fairly is fair. And for one mailbox, okay, included. And if you are looking for more than one email, if you are a mid-business size, you have multiple email, like not just newsletter, you have newsletter, you have support, you have, and you want to use more than one, then you have to go for the second plan, which is pro plan, and to get access directly to this page, check the link in the bios to make it easier for you, all right? Now you click on get the starter plan. So selecting domain. So this next you're gonna see this page. So there's 4 options. I want to use my domain name in my cart. So usually that if you want to buy together, you have not bought domain yet. Now purchase new domain, you can set your domain that's suitable for business. Use domain I own with Namecheap. Okay, if you have already domain in Namecheap, you can click on that. Use domain I own from another registrar, and this will have follow a different instruction for that. But for this video, assume you have domain already on Namecheap or you're buying one. Okay, let's say use my own domain, and then you will have this show the available domain. You can select from there and click continue. Okay, so once you select domain, click continue, pay for it. Okay, you come back to your dashboard, then you scroll down where you can see private email on the left side. Okay, and you will find your new email active here. Okay, so you can see that champ. I just bought this recently. You can see January 20, just a couple of weeks ago. What you need to do is click manage. I'm just going to show you first. Before we add this to me, you need to create an email name. Okay, for me, I'm going to just create a hello, maybe, or Marksin. You can see there, say you haven't created a mailbox yet, so I'm going to create one now. So now you can see the picture. So you give a name and then you'll be like this at digitalchamp.co. So every time you send an email, your subscribers, you can see email like this, right? So it's more professional, more trustworthy. And next, I'm gonna say put the password. This one have a separate login for it, okay? Which I'm gonna show you just in a bit. You're gonna need to log in to go to confirm the email system gonna send you. So put the password. Now here, 5 GB. I'm just gonna leave it as this is. Click on save changes. So now we created this. And here the link you're gonna log into your private email. Other way you can log into it. You can bookmark that link, or you come here, click on this one here, and scroll down. We can see open webmail. Right? You can leave this for now and go back to Steam. So you close this. Next, what you need to do is add in the email values to your DNS. So by going to emails, now from emails, scroll down. I can see I have old email now I'm not longer using, so I need to change that. Okay, so to add a new email, you need to scroll down, and here, email address change, and let's copy the email to be more accurate. I'm just gonna highlight this, copy this. That's the email I'm gonna use from now on to send to my subscribers. So I'm gonna add that email there. Your name is optional, you can just leave it or you add your name there. Now I click and save. Oops. Whatever. So okay, just need to provide because new. So I can click save. Now I have added the email. So I'm just gonna need to refresh this page. So now it should give me some instruction to prepare the email. So it's been done. What can I do is to authenticate the email here. So I need to add my domain here, not the email. And this time it's gonna give us a moral code to add in the email tab, right? So if you just scroll up, you can see it says pending. You can see like little eyes here. You click on it and we need to add all these four on your system E. Now, there's three record of CNAME and then one record of TXT, right? So same thing you did with domain, and we just need to add the same thing with it. So the first thing you need to do, exclude your domain, get the first part that's before the dot, click on copy. Now go back to your Namecheap. You don't need to be here now because this page open for mail. We'll just come back to it later. But once you're back to this your domain list page, you're going to go to the domain, click on manage. Now again, same, you go back to your advanced DNS. So once you go here, for do anything now, because I have already the old one here, I need to remove this. And this been added by default, so I'm gonna leave it. I don't know, and this been added by default, so I just gotta leave it. Now, okay, let's copy this again, just in case, all the way up to the dot. Okay, let's move this one here, it's easier. Add record, and it was the CNAME, right? Just double check that. See, you just follow the instruction, it's very easy to follow. So you put that in host, and in target of value, you copy everything and add it in here. You click on save. Back, let's do the second one. Again, up to everything up to the dot. Again, what you do is just copy and paste, right? It's very easy to do. And the good thing about this, once you've done it, once it's done, it's done. You don't have to do it again. So copy that. IP address. Right, so you have to choose a record, right? So copy. CNAME again. Okay. See, add record. So this is a CNAME record. It's the last one. Yeah, that one. So it shows error because it's a dot there. So I remove the dot. Make sure always you do it up to the dot. Okay. Copy the value. There's no target. Click this. And one last thing is text. Okay. So you're gonna copy everything this time. Even though I've seen that added by default, similar, right? Text record, but you still need to add it, right? So scroll all the way down where you see text. So hit that one there, go back and copy the value. You can do by doing this saw here. It copies everything, it's quite long. Add it here. That's it. Last but not least, now we're going back after finishing everything. Close that tab. So it says pending. So it should take something between 10 to 30 minutes, even one day, it depends. Okay. So I'll come back once this is verified and done. It's just a waiting game. So now we're gonna do just to confirm the email, right? Now let's go open our email. Okay, number. So look in here. So you should receive an email from Systeme. If not, maybe you miss a step of adding the email here, right? Sender. Once you add it here, it should, if not, maybe you have to come back and click here to confirm email, right? So gonna open that and confirm it. Only just click on here, confirm, okay, and that's been done successfully. So gonna just refresh that, see which one has been verified. So it takes time to authenticate the domain, okay, and even to verify the email, okay, it's both linked together. So I'll come back once it is done. Hey, back now. So let's say almost on 35, 40 minutes and it's verified. Let's go check it. So I refresh the page and it says verified. So the domain name is verified and the email is verified now. Let's do a quick test now, okay? So let's say I'm sending to my subscribers some email, an offer email. So let's see. You don't want to use ChatGPT straight away. You need to you edit a little bit. So now to send email on the system, gonna go to emails and newsletter. I just one off campaigns is for some regular emails, like you set it up once and it's in different days. Okay. So if you want to send the one short, quick short email, click on newsletter, click on create. Now give it that subject. So I have this extension. I can change the keyword that I don't like. So say we can leave it as that, but it will become the job. Now sender email address. This should pop ups, right? The one we just confirmed. Now I'm gonna go with the classic, click save. Now you click on the title and then you copy the body now and paste it. So okay, going back there. So I'm gonna paste everything there. So hi name, you need to make sure this bracket replace with the name. First the text here. Now all the tags basically works as segmentation in other email marketing tool. So tags you define a group of people who want to send email to. So I'm gonna say select all. And then this is going to be added, all of them. If you want to exclude, you can exclude some group. And yes, I was looking for this one, available reservation. So for the name, some people when they subscribe to your newsletter, or if you are taking people name for when I collect an email, then you can add this one, and then this will have the name first, right? Okay. Or you can do just say hello, hi friend, you know. You can always test it, guys. If you want to test that, you can do test. Send it to your email first before sending it to subscriber. I recommend it. Always do it. I'm gonna show you how. So that's the offer of email, sale email is right. And now in the end, you wanna put your link there, right? So start now. I'm just gonna highlight it and make this hyperlink. Now go to my offer. So I wanted to promote one of my offer, which is this one. Okay. Now this is opened. So I can just copy the first email, right? Let's copy this one. Now can copy here and click on this one will copy your link. Okay. So going back there. So this is highlighted, right? You go to this link here, click on okay, and you paste your link. So you click here and this saves it. Now it's ready to send. So put my name here. Okay. So just make sure grammar is fine and that I have good quality emails to send the first 5 days, which is very important email. You can check it in the link bio. You can get it once you sign to my newsletter, you can get it for free. Now, all you have to do is you can create A/B test. So you can say save draft, but you click on this arrow and then you click save and test. So that's recent. So I'm testing my personal email. So go check email quickly. So here, boom, see, you got the email exactly as suggested, and you got the link here for the offer. So now coming back, and you want to send to everybody, right? So click again here on this arrow. So this is the option you have. So you want to say save and send. Okay. If you want to send someone later with the time and date, you can click this one. But I want to send them right now. So click save and send. You're gonna ask you sure, confirm, and bomb send it to newsletter successfully. So that's how you do email marketing with Systeme. If you find this lesson valuable, and you can check your status as well, or opened or open, click how many and which email. Okay, I'm going to show this quickly here before I finish this video up, before we wrap it up. Okay, so this one here, seeing it, that means this guy have an automatic maybe opens, but if you give it a few minutes, you will see more open or new days open and clicked. Okay, and you got all full static here and report here. So if you find this video, make sure to give me a subscribe, like, and I will share it. Thank you for watching.